Introducing the AlphaDisc. Our most advanced disc filter is redefining filtration by combining superior design and excellent performance. AlphaDisc is a modular polymeric self-cleaning filter designed to enable maximum flexibility and scalability. Simply replace the spine and cover to triple the filtration area. Using our configurable inlet and outlet ports, AlphaDisc can easily accommodate various installation requirements. This unique filter allows combining several units to accommodate higher flow rate demands, while maintaining a compact footprint. AlphaDisc was designed with the user in mind. From easy maintenance to compatible support legs for effective transportation and installation, we thought of every detail. Imprinted maintenance instructions, a universal multi-tool, environmentally friendly materials, and less disposables. Our patented breakthrough design minimizes flow interference and provides lower head loss and the highest level of efficiency. AlphaDisc offers unparalleled high performance with exceptional filtration results. Water flows to the spine from the outside in, trapping particles on and within the discs. AlphaDisc retains double the particles than any other disc filter for longer filtration cycles and higher efficiency. During backwash, filtered water flows in the reverse direction through the spine. High-pressure jets are forced through the nozzles, trapped particles are dislodged and flushed out of the drain, while allowing for continuous filtration. Following the success of the innovative BLE controller, AlphaDisc systems are equipped with the next-generation smart controller, the CLD. Gain real-time access to filtration data, alerts, and other insights, and remotely control your filter regardless of your location. Get ready for an outstanding filtration experience. AlphaDisc, lean and mean filtration machine.